What's up, everyone? So today my son Matthew is going to be doing a demonstration tutorial on a program called Invideo AI. Now if you're on the fence on whether you want to buy this program or not, this video may kick you off the fence to help you make your decision. My son Matt enters in these crazy prompts and Invideo AI delivers. Now show your support by liking and subscribing to the channel, and if you have any comments or suggestions, leave them below and I will see you at the end of the video.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be diving into one of the most powerful tools for content creators called Invideo AI. What Invideo AI does, it takes your script or blog or just maybe a prompt, right? And it instantly turns it into a fully edited video, complete with, stock footage or music, or it may have a voiceover and much more. It's like having a full team in your browser. Again, I'm new here. We're just gonna try it out and just explore it. Alright, so yeah. So this is where we kind of just write our topic, generates the video within this section. So let's just see what's over here. Let's go to the media library. So we're just gonna look around. We could add a voice. I don't know what that means. Okay, I guess we could. What's this? Oh, we can use his voice. That's cool. You know what? Let's do that. Let's use JP Dynamics voice. And text to clip, describe a scene. Okay, text to image, video to clip. What? Photo to clip, text to title clip. Okay. So these are all these are all the plugins. Okay, so this is the presets library. Okay. Let's just generate something. I'm just trying to get to the okay. So we're just gonna make a couple videos and see what it can do. So firstly, let's go to voices and let's use JP Dynamics voice. Okay, and say golden retriever singing a folk song. A golden retriever with a cowboy hat. We'll do that with a cowboy hat singing a folk song with a banjo playing with a banjo with chipmunks. I'm gonna be as descriptive. As I can. With chipmunks as backup singers. I should have been more descriptive, I think. Could I have added audio? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what it does. All right, so it's preparing. It's almost finished. So it seems like they're giving us options to make it so we could either make it. Seems like they're giving us options. So I think we're gonna do realistic. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's do 1 minute. We don't need it to be that long. Platform YouTube Shorts. We'll do YouTube 1 minute and we're gonna make it realistic. And it's 60 credits, I think. Alright, well, we finally did it. The video finally downloaded. I'm not a big fan of maybe just be a computer issue, but we're just gonna watch this and see how the video turned out. Buddy's Backyard Bonanza. Okay, we got a tree.
Well, howdy there. I'm Buddy, just your average banjo-picking golden retriever. Now, you might be wondering how a dog like me ended up singing country tunes with a bunch of chipmunks. It all started one lazy afternoon when I was watching some good old country videos on my Humans tablet. Then, one day, I found this old banjo in the attic. It was love at first sight, I tell ya. Of course, at first, I couldn't make heads or tails of how to play it. Sounded like a cat in a blender, if you know what I mean. But then, these little chipmunks showed up. They started chattering away, and wouldn't you know it, it sounded just like singing. Suddenly, it all clicked. My paws found the strings, and before I knew it, I was playing like I'd been born with a banjo in my mouth. The chipmunks joined in, and we had ourselves a regular hoedown right there in the backyard. Now, we're the talk of the town, Buddy and his chipmunk choir, they call us. Just goes to show you never know what kind of hidden talents you might have.
I rate that video 9 chipmunks out of 11 chipmunks. That was good. That was a decent video. I actually kind of liked that. That was really entertaining. We're gonna do one more video, but yeah, let's try again. We're gonna use JP Dynamics voice again, and let's generate. Okay, we're gonna maybe let's do a lion. Let's do full of alien chipmunks and monkeys. Teaches the alien chipmunks and monkeys Spanish and takes them back to Earth. Just takes it back to Earth to eat with the humans. Okay, let's generate the video and see what happens. We're gonna have to wait a little bit because it's gonna take a little bit, but yeah, that was kind of quick. All right, so this is the last thing. I did the video with the lion, and we'll see if it's loud. Okay, we'll see how this turned out.
Or spoken narration, ghost written by the above artist. Mimic their style closely. Speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form. Today, I'm diving into a wild, cosmic adventure with a twist that you won't believe.
It's so weird hearing my dad. It's so weird hearing my dad just saying. I can make him say whatever whatever I want. I think that is a dangerous thing.
Cave lion, rocketing through the cosmos, lands on a stunningly beautiful planet. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any planet. It's teeming with adorable alien chipmunks and monkeys.
Okay, so this is like this is just stock photo, which is it's good, right?
Our lion hero, full of courage and curiosity, decides to step out and explore. The alien chipmunks and monkeys are fascinated by this majestic earth creature. So what does our lion do? He starts teaching them Spanish. Yeah, you heard that right, Spanish. Imagine the scene: chipmunks and monkeys eagerly repeating "Hola" and "Cómo estás?" As days pass, these alien critters
that was beautiful.
Only learn
hearing my dad speak Spanish,
but also form a bond with our lion. It's heartwarming, really. Their planet, filled with vibrant colors and strange yet beautiful landscapes, becomes a second home for our lion. But the adventure doesn't end there. Oh no, our lion decides to take his new friends on a journey back to Earth. Imagine the looks on people's faces when a lion, accompanied by Spanish-speaking alien chipmunks and monkeys, walks into a dining room. The dinner table is filled with laughter and astonished humans as they share stories and food. It's a beautiful reminder of how even the most different beings can connect, learn from each other, and become friends. So, what do you think? Would you invite an alien chipmunk to your dinner table? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more out-of-this-world adventures. Stay curious, my friends.
I give that video 5 Spanish-speaking chipmunks and monkeys out of 7. So very good. It was just stock. It didn't have any like AI videos, I don't think, but it was good. I think InVideo AI has a good system in the way that they're doing things, and I think like the videos that they create it's pretty how they could just generate videos and how like it's able to do that. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. InVideo AI, if I could recommend it, it would be 9 out of 10 Spanish speaking monkeys. I think it's worth a try. I think it's worth checking it out, and yeah, Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more videos, leave a like, comment, and leave a subscription as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.